Hello, folks. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the managing director of a United Kingdom company, Alamo Mortgage Holdings. And in this video, I'm going to answer a question that someone wrote in. Basically, Alamo Mortgage Holdings, what we do is we're a UK company. We offer a high yield corporate income bond that you can purchase. And then we actually acquire in the United States, we purchase packages of mortgages. We actually buy mortgage debt in packages in the United States. Now, we're not a company that's for retail investors. We're only here for the accredited investors. That doesn't mean we don't like retail investors, but we're focused on accredited investors in the United Kingdom. So we're looking in the United Kingdom. And the question that was asked was, hey, does Alamo Mortgage Holdings also buy mortgage debt in the United Kingdom? And the answer to that is, at this time, we are 100% focused on acquiring mortgage debt in Texas, the only state that we're focusing on in the United States. We're not doing anything in the United Kingdom at this time. That doesn't mean that we don't look at the United Kingdom. We watch the mortgage market very closely in the United Kingdom. It's actually quite interesting. But we're focused on our mission, which is to acquire mortgage debt in the United States. And that doesn't mean that maybe perhaps in a few years, at some point in the future, we might look at other markets. We probably would be more likely to expand into more states in the United States. So we might add another state in the United States or 2 or 3 states. But it makes it easier if we focus on just one state. The thing that's nice about Alamo is when you make the wise decision to purchase our corporate income bonds as a UK accredited investor, you can get on the fast track to building passive income. Whatever your passive income goals are, if you're looking for £3,000, £5,000, £10,000 a month or more, we can get you there with Alamo Mortgage Holdings. We offer an annual investment program where you give us an idea of what your goal is for passive income, and then we can work back with you over the number of years it would take with our investment program to get you to that level. The really nice thing about what we do at Alamo is the fact that we are acquiring assets that are long-term assets. These are things that long-term will be able to pay income, and that lets us pay the highest returns. And another advantage to the United States is our market in the United States, especially in Texas. It is a market where for UK accredited investors, they have the potential to earn significantly more than they may be able to earn locally. And especially working with Alamo, with our team, we have such a great team. We have a team that has some UK team members. We have Andrew Richings with Thomas Kelly Holdings. He's very experienced, very smart. We have Marina Zaharelska. She's our international investment coordinator. We have Scott Wynn, who's in the United States, and he's an industry expert in mortgage note investing. He's fantastic. We have David Jones, who's he's our attorney, our corporate counsel, our in-house counsel for the United States, and he looks over all the documents, makes sure that everything is in compliance with the U.S. rules. And then we, of course, we have UK counsel as well that helps with everything. So we've got a really great team that is working for you. And it's something where if you're thinking to yourself, you know, I wish there was a way that I could earn more income than what I can find in the local banks in the UK, or maybe what I can get off of UK gilts. You know, a lot of our clients, they're buying those UK gilts, and God love them. There's nothing wrong with buying UK gilts. You're definitely in a safe investment if you're in a UK gilt, but you're paying a tremendous opportunity cost of what might have been in terms of the passive income you could have earned. So it's something that's definitely worth thinking about. Now, you know, if you're in a situation where you're thinking to yourself, yeah, you know, I want to try this, maybe I'll start out small. Start out small with us, folks. You don't have to start out with millions and millions of pounds. You can start out small. You know, get on our annual investment program. You can see how it works. The team's working for you. You know, It's always important in a portfolio to, according to a Nobel Prize winning economist, I'm talking about a very famous economist, Harry Markowitz. He actually won the 1990 Nobel Prize for economics, and he did a lot of work with, actually, he's considered kind of with portfolio building, modern portfolio theory. And if any of you have accounts at some of these fancy banks where they tell you how smart they are, and they are smart, they've got some geniuses over there. Those geniuses at BlackRock and at Merrill Lynch and at Bank of America and at all over, they love modern portfolio theory, and they like it because it has a lot of things that it can help with. Basically, if you've got a portfolio and you're trying to adjust for risk, and you're just using historical data, you can use this. But what's interesting is, even though Harry Markowitz created such a modern portfolio theory, he really was kind of the grandfather of it. When it came to his own portfolio, he did something far, far simpler. He didn't use all of that complicated math. What he did was he'd put half of his money in stocks and he'd put half of his money in bonds. Now, I ask you folks, think about your own portfolio. What percentage of your portfolio right now is in stocks and what percentage is in bonds? What Harry Markowitz would do would be, once a year, he would adjust his portfolio. He would, if the stocks had gone up a great deal in value, he would sell stocks and he'd buy more bonds. Or if the stocks had gone down a great deal in value, he would sell bonds and buy more stocks, but he would do this adjustment. And that way he could split his portfolio between stocks and bonds. Now, I'm not sitting here saying you should do that. I'm just saying, maybe think about it. Maybe think about it if it was good enough for a Nobel Prize winning economist. And if that same Nobel Prize winning economist is the one that laid the groundwork for everything that your experts are using in the modern world, it might be worth considering as an idea. So why Texas market bonds? Well, basically the Texas it's a state that's growing, and it's growing rapidly. We've got a lot of people coming into Texas. They're coming in from California. They're coming in from all over. It's one of the fastest growing states. It's a market there where, since we're acquiring mortgage debt, the more the value of the real estate goes up, the safer the portfolio is that we hold, and the happier and the better the bondholders are. They just love it when the real estate prices go up. So that is a fantastic thing. That is an absolutely fantastic thing. We can help you get your passive income goals more quickly, folks. We offer maximum diversification. You need to look at your own portfolio and think, is it diversified enough? A lot of times people, they find out that 100% of their portfolio, they may not have it as diversified as they think. And look, in every portfolio, there's always opportunities for improvement. And what's nice about it is, if you're interested, you could just call me. Just send me an email, ben.miller at alamomortgageholdings.co.uk. Once again, that's ben.miller at alamomortgageholdings.co.uk, and be happy to chat with you about some of my experience investing. I also have an investor networking group, and you can join it. It's completely free. We have weekly meetings. You can just email me, ben.miller at alamomortgageholdings.co.uk, and I can get you a free invitation. We're not selling anything in the group. That's just real investors from all over the world. We've got several hundred investors now from Europe and the Americas, and you can meet them and learn about different strategies. But Alamo Mortgage Holdings, when I set this company up, I saw such a huge, huge opportunity. I realized it was something that really needed to happen because there's a big demand in the UK. Our company is so popular in the UK. A lot of people, they're interested in it. They want to learn more about it because they're trying to think, hey, this is something that could really be something. It's not some cryptocurrency thing. My God, there's a lot of cryptocurrency things that are floating around. And I know there's some good ones. I'm not giving the cryptocurrency guys a hard time. There's a few gems in there, but there's also a lot of risk in there. And if you go with something that's old-fashioned, like debt investing, that is a pretty rock solid thing, particularly if it's not credit card debt investing. I'm not talking about credit card debt investing. I mean, that might work, but you're really gambling. I'd rather have something that's backed up by real estate. And that's what Alamo Mortgage Holdings has in store. So you come on board, you start investing with us, you know, and we can work with you. We get to know each other, and the company is growing, and you know, and we're doing just great. But we're always welcome to have new people. If you'd like more information, just email me, ben.miller at alamomortgageholdings.co.uk. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.